What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Moving on to the next question on the test, we have to simplify, then evaluate this expression over here for when m is equal to 2 and n is equal to -1. So I'm going to take this expression here, going to rewrite it closer. So we got 4 times m to the power of 2 bracket m plus n, and then we got 8 m to the power of -m. This is all over 64 m to the power of -2n plus n. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to first work with the numbers. So notice we have this 4, 8, 64. I'm going to simplify those. And then also notice we have exponents. So we have exponents with the same base. They all have a base of m. So we're going to be able to perform some algebra on them. So first the numbers, 4 times 8 is what? It's 32. And then we have m, 2 bracket m plus n times m to the power of -m. So if I write that out on the side, so I got m, 2 bracket m plus n, and then m to the power of -m. Notice that we're multiplying two exponents with the same base, so we could add the exponents. So here, the next line would be, if I distribute here, that would be 2m plus 2n, and then this minus m. It's like plus minus m, so it just ends up being a minus m here. And then notice the like terms, 2m minus m, that would just give us 1m. And then we have 2n. So this is what these two exponents simplify to in the numerator. So m to the power of m plus 2n. And this is going to be all over 64. This is going to be m to the power of -2n plus m. Right, so now continuing this up here, 32 over 64, what does that simplify to? That simplifies to 1 over 2. So we're going to end up with a 2 in the denominator. And then this here, notice that these two exponents have the same base and we're dividing them. So we could subtract this exponent from this one. So we'll have m to the power of m plus 2n, right? The exponent in the numerator. And then we're going to be subtracting this exponent here in the denominator. So -2n plus m, like that. Distribute the negative inside the bracket. So we'll have m to the power of m plus 2n plus 2n minus m, like that. And this would end up being what? The m's cancel out. 2n plus 2n is just 4n. Like that. And this is the exponent that's left in the numerator. So m to the power of 4n. Like that. And then this 1 here we don't have to write. There's nothing left in the denominator except for the 2. So that's what this expression is, what this simplifies to. And now we could plug in our value. So we would plug in 2 for m and then -1 for n. So 4 times -1, this is going to be all over 2. So this would end up being what? 2 to the power of -4 over 2. This 2 to the power of -4 we could bring down. So that would be 1 over 2 to the power of 4 times 2. This is like 2 to the power of 1. We could add these exponents. So 1 over 2 to the power of 5, which gives us 1 over 32. So that is the final numerical answer, and that is what the expression simplifies to.